Gentlemen, comma, we wish to acquire several pieces of land in Hamilton near the property we now hold for the purpose of housing the whole of our assembling work in a new plant which we propose to erect. Full stop. Perhaps you will tell us promptly if you hear of any land to be offered for sale, and thus give us an opportunity to investigate. Full stop. We are anxious to begin work on our new plant this autumn. Full stop. If we do not purchase the land within the next 2 months, there is every likelihood that we shall have to postpone operation until the spring. Full stop. Any information you may obtain for us will be a very great help. Very truly yours. Full stop and para. Dear sir, comma, when you hang up your hat and begin to answer the pile of correspondence awaiting you on your desk, have you ever thought of what happens when your mail is received by the person to whom it is addressed? Question mark. Remember that the first impression your correspondent receives is from the note paper he holds in his fingers. Full stop. Most businessmen believe in the value of appearances and pay great attention to most things which place their firm high in the estimation of their correspondents. But it is surprising how many quite overlook the opportunity paper offers of expressing the standing of their firm. Full stop. We hope you will exercise care with this particular detail. Full stop. Perhaps you will permit us to quite for quantity lots on our distinctive bond according to your requirements. Full stop. Very truly yours. Full stop and para. Gentlemen, we are anxious to receive the pens which, according to your invoice of 14th November, were sent by post 5 days ago. Full stop. We presume that the parcel was sent by registered post. Full stop. In answer to our inquiry, the post office here says that the package has not yet been received. Full stop. Do you think that there has been a mistake in addressing it? Question mark. Yours very truly, comma, gentlemen, comma, we are sorry to learn that the package we sent to you by registered post on 14th November has not been received. Full stop. Promptly upon receipt of your note, we sent a duplicate. Full stop. It is possible, comma, of course, comma, that the label was incorrectly addressed and close.